To file GST using Swipe, you first need to log into the GST portal. Go to the dashboard and click on My Profile, where you can enable API access. Click on Manage API Access. Set it to Yes. Select the duration for 30 days and confirm. Now go to the Return dashboard and select the month, which in our case is January. Click here. You will see that there are no invoices in the January section of the GST portal. Next, go to Swipe, click on GSTR filing, and then click on View Details for January. You can see the invoices. First, log in by pasting the GST username from the portal. After entering the GST username, you will receive an OTP on your GST registered mobile number and email ID. Confirm and verify the OTP. Once verified, you will see the invoices created in January. You can select the month and then choose either to select all invoices at once or select them one by one. After selecting the invoices, click on Proceed to Save. Now you will see a summary which includes B2B and B2C invoices. Click on Push Documents to push them to GSTR. After clicking on Push to GSTR, the details will be sent to the GSTR portal. You can check the GST portal where one B2B and one B2C invoice have been recorded. This is the B2B invoice pushed from Swipe. And this is the B2C invoice. Now you can proceed to file the summary. Check the final summary to ensure the total values in Swipe and the GST portal match. If they match, click on Enter the authorized signatory PAN number. Once you enter the PAN number, you will receive an OTP on your GST registered mobile number and email ID. Submit the final OTP and the filing is complete. Yes, your GSTR-1 has been successfully filed from Swipe. For verification, you can check the GST portal, where GSTR-1 has been filed for January.